Hello everyone, welcome back to your System Fixer. Microsoft has officially released the first Windows 11 26H2 Insider Preview build. So if you'd like to try the next version of Windows 11 before it's officially released, it'll show you exactly how to install it. And once we're done, we'll also take a quick look around to see what's actually different compared to Windows 11 25H2. Before we jump in, there's one thing you should know. The 26H2 version is still under development, so you may run into bugs or unexpected issues. For that reason, I recommend installing it on a virtual machine or a spare PC instead of your main computer. Also, make sure you've backed up your important files before upgrading, just in case you need to roll back later. If you're planning to do a clean installation from a bootable USB drive instead, you can check the guide in the description and comment areas below. Alright, let's get started. Open the Settings app by pressing Windows plus I keys. Then go to Windows Update. Scroll down and click Windows Insider Program. From here, click Get Started. Now, you need to choose the Microsoft account you want to use for the Insider program. Just follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your account. Now, you'll need to select a channel. Choose Dev Channel. Or in some cases, you may see experimental options depending on your system. Once that's done, just follow the prompts and restart your PC. After rebooting, go back into Settings and Windows Update. Make sure this option is enabled. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Then click Check for updates. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a little while, and your PC may restart several times during the installation. You may notice that the installation finishes much faster than a major Windows upgrade. That's because Windows 11 26H2 is delivered as an enablement package. This update mainly turns on new features instead of reinstalling the entire operating system. Wow, it's done. If you see version 26H2 and the correct build number at the bottom, you're all set. Or, you can also press Windows plus R, type WinVer, and press Enter. That will show you the exact build and version of Windows 11 you are running. Okay, now, let's see what new features. One of the noticeable changes is in the privacy and system interface area. So now, things like location, camera, and microphone indicators are much more visible at the top. And more importantly, everything is grouped in a cleaner way. It's not scattered like before. So, it's actually easier now to find what you want, whether you want to enable something, disable something, or just adjust permissions. Overall, the settings window just feels more organized than before as far as I'm concerned. Now let's talk about another interesting section. If you go into the System section, and then click on Recovery, you'll see a new option called Point-in-Time Restore. And just to be clear, this is not the same as the classic System Restore. This is actually a new recovery system, designed to bring your PC back to a working state more reliably. Now, if you decide Windows 11 26H2 isn't for you, don't worry. As long as it's been less than 10 days since the upgrade, Windows keeps your previous installation automatically. To go back, open Settings, then go to System, Recovery, and click Go Back under Recovery Options. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and Windows will restore your previous version without affecting your personal files. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. And if you've already installed Windows 11 26H2, let me know in the comments what you think so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.